This UBeesize multifunctional selfie stick tripod set is made of alloy, and it has the non-slip rubberized feet. It comes with a travel bag, and this is for your cell phone. 2 inches to 3.78 inches wide. And you also have a GoPro attachment and a remote. Here's my tripod, and it's about 5 feet tall, and you could put in your camera. I would just stretch it, put it on there, and you could take landscape videos, or you can do portrait videos this way as well. And this will rotate down at whatever angle you need. You can adjust the heights. So this will adjust all the way down to whatever height you will need. And you can even stop it wherever way. So it'll adjust to any height you need. You can even put it then on a tabletop. And when you are done with it, it easily tucks away. I highly recommend this. I have had it for 5 years and love it.
If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.